Playing Brawl Stars with a VPN can help you access the game in restricted regions, reduce lag, and improve connection stability. Here's how to set it up. Choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN that offers low latency, fast speeds, and gaming optimization. Popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Ensure the VPN has servers in regions where Brawl Stars is available. Install the VPN on your device. Download the VPN app from the official website or your device's app store. Install the app on your Android, iOS, or emulator if you play on PC. Log in using your credentials. Connect to a suitable server. Open the VPN app and select a server located in the country where Brawl Stars is accessible. Choose a nearby server for better speed and reduced lag. Launch Brawl Stars. Ensure the VPN connection is active. Open Brawl Stars and start playing. The VPN will bypass restrictions and provide a stable connection. Troubleshooting tips. Switch to a different server if you experience lag. Use a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for better speed. Ensure background apps are closed to save bandwidth.